Why is the shrine open for visitors? There you go. What's going on? Oh, that's not good. That's better. Or we'd be falling right over there, I tell you. I first visited the Penetanguishene area in grade 5 on a school trip. We visited a number of historical sites while we were there, and I'm actually quite excited to be heading up there again now 50 years later and visit some of those same sites. While I'm there, I'll be doing a couple of nights staying over at the 6 Mile Lake Campground. Come along for the ride. Hi friends, I'm Drew, and this is Road Chapters. You've probably noticed that I don't do a lot of rambling in my videos. My goal for this channel is to capture the spirit of motorcycle touring as I experience it. When I ride, I listen to music, and not every road is a scene out of a travel magazine. My videos are hence a distillation of each adventure, mostly set to music, edited hopefully to be as entertaining and informative as possible through my eyes to yours. This is one of those Hornby organic oatmeal raisins. Dry as sawdust, as they all are. So I found this little river. Beautiful little spot. Time to pull over and just relax for a minute. In 1639, by invitation of local indigenous chieftains, along what is now named the Wye River between Midland Bay and Mud Lake, construction of a Christian French Jesuit mission named Sainte Marie began. This community of Jesuits educated and ministered to an existing community of Christian Wendat peoples for 16 years, until uprisings by the Iroquois from 1648 to 1649 resulted in attacks on Wendat villages. Sainte Marie was also attacked, and 4 priests, including Jean de Brébeuf and Gabriel Lalemant, were tortured and killed. In 1930, all 4 priests were canonized, and the found remains of Brébeuf and Lalemant were later laid to rest in the shrine and a chapel in the recreated mission, now known as Sainte Marie among the Hurons, which we'll be visiting on day 2 of this motorcycling tour series. you can see, camp is pretty much set up behind me. It seems to be a challenge to find a site for tents that are flat. Again, I'm going to be on an angle, but at least this time I will not have my head where my feet should have been. So, and then you can see it's a little breezy. So this little blocker here is going to be helpful when it comes to cooking up some stuff. There's a complete fire ban this weekend in the park, so I won't be able to have a campfire. That's okay. It just means all my clothes won't end up smelling like smoke by the time I get home. But as you can see, I've got a little bit of wine. This time it's wine this week. Last week we had beer. Frisky Beaver. I don't know. I just got it because of the name. And yeah, I'm going to have some sausage. I just need to go find some water, which is always an interesting endeavor in and of itself. And so I think that today I'm going to sign off for now, and looking forward to some great riding again tomorrow. So thanks for joining me, and let's pick it up tomorrow.